This is a great January morning at the Manor. How you doing, Jerri?
I'm good. How are you?
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you.
What you talk about, we were talking about New Year's resolutions, you know, and how good is your word to yourself, and you're thinking to yourself, okay, I know I promised my year, I'm not going to worry about this, that, or the other. And that just happens to be what the Presbyterian Manor specializes in, is not having to worry about, well, a lot of things.
That's right.
Yeah.
It is a great place to enjoy life with no worries.
Well, what's the number one thing people worry about or used to worry about before they made the Manor their home sweet home?
I would say a lot of people say that they are tired of the home maintenance, you know, taking care of the home. Even if they have the yard done by someone, they still have to hire that person, they have to pay that person. If they have any issues maintenance-wise, they have to call the plumber or call the electrician and make sure that that person's trustworthy. And so at the Manor, it's very easy. You just dial 0 if you need a maintenance person.
We do a whole show about home improvement here in town, about who to call when you need foundation repair or something like that. And yeah, just pressing 0 and say, I have a bit of a problem, and that's all you have to do. That's a big worry off your shoulders for this year.
Right. And you know, a lot of times people, when you have to eat alone, when you live alone, it's no fun to eat alone. So people tend to not eat as well as they would if they had people to eat with, nutritious wise, and you know, good food, and food that tastes good and food that's good for you.
Yeah, it does look pretty good here, doesn't it? Yeah.
And it's always better when you have somebody to enjoy it with.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, that's two things we're not going to worry about this year. What's one more thing we could not worry about?
Well, you know, a lot of times people worry about what's going to happen if I get sick, or if I need someone to help me, or whatever. Well, here at the Manor, we have an emergency pull cord system. So if you get sick or you fall and you need assistance, then it's right there for you.
Yeah, don't have to worry about it.
That's right. And then we have our healthcare center for people that live here at the Manor. They get priority back there. So if you needed a few days that you needed someone to help you a little more, nursing care, then that's right there readily available.
If that sounds like anything, you already made that resolution not to worry about in 2019, give Jerri a call at the number on the screen, or email her, or check out the website and let her help put that plan into action. Thanks, Jerri.
Thank you, Adam.